New Amazfit Active Max smartwatch spotted again as BioCharge confirmed. A draft product listing for the upcoming Amazfit Max smartwatch has appeared on one of the brand's official websites. The page, which includes several images, reveals more features of this recently leaked wearable, including support for BioCharge energy level monitoring and contactless payments. The recently leaked Amazfit Active Max smartwatch has been spotted in a product listing on the brand SpO₂ website. Now, a draft listing for the Amazfit Active Max smartwatch seems to have confirmed more of its features in a series of images below. From Quanti's unnamed source, we already knew that the unreleased wearable has a 1.5-inch AMOLED screen and 4 GB of memory to store maps and music. The recently discovered pictures indicate that it will also support ZPay contactless payments, and that it should run for around 25 days on a single charge, thanks to its 576 mAh battery. The Amazfit listing suggests that the users of the Active Max will be able to choose from over 170 modes, including HYROX options. They will also be able to track health metrics like heart rate, sleep quality, and SpO₂ level. Another noted feature is BioCharge energy monitoring, which arrived with the Helio strap as a reminder. This smartwatch is expected to support Bluetooth 5.3 and GPS, and should be waterproof to 50 meters. While the Amazfit US product page lists 3 colors, Lava Black, Midnight Pulse, and Mint Green, it appears that these are not the official colorways of the upcoming smartwatch. The URL indicates that the draft listing is based on the older Active Edge strap, which is available in these 3 colors. The Amazfit Active Max is expected to cost €169.90 in Europe, which would make it €20 more expensive than the Active 2 Square RRP, €149.90, KER, €129.90 at Amazon.de. It remains to be seen when Amazfit will officially announce and release this smartwatch.